In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make A3 size in Canva. If you've ever needed a perfectly sized A3 canvas for printing posters, flyers, or large visuals, this walkthrough will make it quick and clear. Start by opening Canva and signing in so you land on the home page. From here, you'll create a fresh design rather than picking a preset template. Look to the top right corner and click the purple Create a Design button. This opens a menu with popular sizes, but we want full control over the dimensions, so choose the custom size option. By default, Canva often shows sizes in pixels, which is great for screens but not ideal for print. For an accurate A3 layout, switch the units from pixels to centimeters. You'll find a small drop-down right next to the width and height fields. Click it and select centimeters. This ensures you're working with precise print measurements and avoids confusion later. Now enter the official A3 dimensions. If you're designing in landscape, type 42 centimeters for the width and 29.7 centimeters for the height. If you prefer portrait orientation, reverse those numbers, 29.7 centimeters for the width and 42 centimeters for the height. These are standardized A3 measurements, so using them guarantees your design will match printers and frames that expect true A-series sizes. Take a second to double-check that you've got the correct orientation for your project, because it's easier to set it now than to rotate and rearrange elements later. Once the size looks right, click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas at the exact A3 dimensions you specified. You can confirm the size in the editor header if you want peace of mind. From here, you're ready to start adding text, images, and graphics, all laid out on a correctly sized A3 page. That's all you need to set up an A3 size in Canva. You're now ready to design confidently at the right dimensions. Thanks for watching.